Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Study English with Saini. I'm Saini. I hope you all are good.
Today we will discuss questions of poem 2, Wind, class 9, Beehive book. Question 1. What are the things the wind god does in the first stanza? Answer. The wind god throws down all the books. He tears the pages of the books. He brings the rain again. He makes fun of weak people, weak houses, weak doors, weak rafters, weak wood, weak bodies, weak lives, and weak hearts. He scatters and crushes them all. Question 2. Have you seen anybody winnow grain at home or in a paddy field? What is the word in your language for winnowing? What do people use for winnowing? Give the word in your language if you know them. Answer. I have often seen farmers winnowing grain at home and also in their fields. In our language, we call it pachorna. A charge is used for winnowing. It helps to remove the chaff from grain. Nowadays, it is done with machine also. Question 3. What does the poet say the wind god winnows? This is important question. Answer. He winnows everything that is weak, old and crumbling. He winnows weak people, weak houses, weak doors, weak rafters, weak wood, weak bodies, weak lives and weak hearts. Question 4. What should we do to make friends with the wind? Answer. We should make our bodies and hearts strong. Only then can we make friends with the wind. Question 5. What do the last 4 lines of the poem mean to you? Answer. In the last 4 lines, the poet means to say that the weak always go to the wall. It is the way of the world to kick the weak and to woe the strong. Therefore, we should make our bodies and hearts very strong. Question 6. How does the poet speak to the wind? In anger or with humor? You must also have seen or heard of the wind crumbling lives. What is your response to this? Is it like the poet's? Answer. The poet speaks very gravely. He wants to convey the ideas that gods will be friends with you if you are strong. They will crush you if you are weak. Therefore, one must make oneself strong, hearts and body. I fully agree with what the poet says.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you. See you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye. Take care.